নমস্কার দর্শকবৃন্দ। আজকে আমি অক্টোবর 2020 অর্থাৎ লেটেস্ট এই মাসেরই কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের 50টি এমসিকিউ প্রশ্ন নিয়ে আপনাদের সামনে হাজির হয়েছি, যেগুলি কম্পিটিটিভ পরীক্ষার জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। চলুন দেখে নেওয়া যাক সেই প্রশ্নগুলি। Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI)? Answer is A. M. Rajeshwar Rao. The Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission has been launched by which ministry? Answer is B. Ministry of Social Justice. Next, Ministry of Defence has designated Alpha Design Technologies Limited for upgrading which defence system? Answer is Pichora Surface to Air Systems. Next, SARDPNE, which was in news recently, is implemented by which union ministry? Answer is Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Next, Sabha Al Khalid Al Sabha, who has resigned recently, was the Prime Minister of which country? Answer is B. Kuwait. Next, the RAISE 2020 Global Summit is being organized by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology along with which body? The answer is D. Niti Aayog. Next, the Garba folk dance that is seen in the news recently is associated with which state? Answer is Gujarat. Next, as per a recent RBI release, what is the value of India's external debt at the end of June 2020? The answer is A. USD 554.5 billion. Next, Housing for All, a better urban future, is the theme of which special day observed on October's first Monday? The answer is B. World Habitat Day. Next, Union Road Transport Minister inaugurated 16 national highways projects worth over rupees 15,000 crores in which state or union's territory? The correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. Next, the European Union has recently imposed sanctions against which country? The correct answer is D. Belarus. Next, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative Limited (IFCO) has partnered with which organization to promote new agricultural technology? The correct answer is A. Prasar Bharati. Next, what is the name of the hackathon to be organized by Electronics Ministry (IEE), National Informatics Center and Oracle? The correct answer is B. GovTechthon 2020. Next, which country is to provide USD 1.9 million to support informal sector and micro enterprises to India? The correct answer is B. United States. Next, what is the theme of the Global Handwashing Day 2020? Correct answer is A. Hand hygiene for all. Next, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) approved the appointment of Committee of Directors (COD) to run which bank? Answer is B. Dhanalakshmi Bank. Next, which country hosted the historic 4th World Conference on Women? The correct answer is B. China. Next, what is the abbreviation of EVIN, that was seen in news recently? The correct answer is A. Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. Next, World Day for Farmed Animals is celebrated on the birth anniversary of which leader? The correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. Next, what is the theme of the World Space Week 2020? Answer is B. Satellite Improve Life. Next, Bhanu Athaiya, who passed away recently, is associated with which field? Correct answer is B. Costume designing. Next, which organization has launched a spacecraft named SS Kalpana Chawla to the International Space Station? Correct answer is Northrop Grumman. Next, as per the RBI's announcement, what is the quantum of funds to be provided to banks under on-tap TLTRO? The correct answer is B. Rupees 1 trillion. Next, which country has the highest TB burden across the globe at 26% as per the recent report of WHO? Answer is B. India. Next, what is the name of the paper strip test for SARS-CoV-2 diagnosis to be rolled out by the Ministry of Health? Answer is B. Feluda. Next, Bangosagor is a military exercise between India and which country? Answer is C. Bangladesh. Next, the central government is to borrow rupees 1.10 lakhs crore on behalf of the states to meet which shortfall? Answer is B. GST compensation. Next, Hing Asafoetida has been cultivated in India for the first time in which state? The answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Next, in which city is the World Economic Forum WEF annual meeting 2021 to be held? Answer is B. Lucerne. Next, World Post Day marks the establishment of Universal Postal Union in which country? Answer is B. Switzerland. Next, which fintech company is to organize a dedicated app developers conference? Answer is C. Paytm. Next, Flipkart and which general insurance company has launched insurance cover for online financial frauds? Answer is B. Bajaj Allianz. Next, Exporting Corruption 2020 is a report released by which organization? Answer is A. Transparency International. Next, which company has launched the mask verification features in India? Answer is C. Uber. Next, which technology company has renamed its business software package as Workspace? Answer is B. Google. Next, when is the International Day for Eradication of Poverty observed? Answer is C. 17th October. Next, the Election Commission of which country has declared its parliamentary elections invalid? Answer is B. Kyrgyzstan. Next, which special day related to bureaucracy is celebrated on October 9 since 2011? Answer is C. IFS Day. Next, Africa's tallest mountain, the Mount Kilimanjaro, is located in which country? Answer is B. Tanzania. Next, when is Police Commemoration Day observed every year in India? Answer is C. October 21. Next, which country has commenced anti-submarine drills in the South China Sea? Answer is B. Japan. Next, which type of identity card issued by the government is said to be printed in PVC cards? Answer is C. Aadhaar card. Next, India is said to acquire 72,000 assault rifles from which country? Answer is C. USA. Who represented India in third G20 Sherpas meeting held recently? Answer is C. Suresh Prabhu. Next, which country has approved its second coronavirus vaccine named Epivac Corona? Answer is C. Russia. Next, which is the biggest economy to join COVAX Global COVID-19 Vaccine Alliance as on October 10, 2020? Answer is B. China. Next, which e-commerce giant has launched a new fulfillment center in Tamil Nadu? Answer is D. Amazon. Next, the Future of Jobs Report 2020 has been released by which organization? Answer is B. WEF. Next, which city has broken the record for world's largest fountain? Answer is D. Dubai. Next, who has been appointed as the new Labour Secretary to Government of India? Answer is B. Apurva Chandra.